Welcome to E6.1. Today we're going to list the primary pollutants found in wastewater and identify their sources. So we're going to start off with heavy metals. And heavy metals include copper, cadmium, mercury, lead, zinc, and others like that. You'll find them in batteries, fungicides, which is used to kill mushrooms and other fungus-related species. Electrolysis of brine, you can connect this to the unit 9. And dental amalgam, so there used to be mercury in fillings, but that's kind of fallen out of favor, as well as a lot of heavy metals in paint, but that's also fallen out of favor. But if you can kind of visualize these different types of metals, heavy metals, and that just basically means that they're higher up on the periodic table. A lot of them transition metals. Pesticides, like these, from the agrochemicals, are often wastewater sources, as well as dioxins. So dioxins, if we try to visualize that, this is something that happened a few years ago. There was a political leader that was poisoned with dioxins. And dioxins are basically a wide category of different organic molecules that cause a lot of damage to the body. They actually bioaccumulate and stay in the fatty tissues, so your body doesn't get rid of them. And they're mostly transmitted through food as you go higher up on the food chain. So it's generally noted that as you eat more animal products, the dioxins will increase because that's higher up on the food chain. Those sources come from industrial waste, forest fires, burning fuels, and manufacturing pesticides. PCBs, or polychlorinated biphenyls, we've heard this before, so you should actually connect it straight away to soil pollution. But basically, to reiterate, polychlorinated means many chlorines. Biphenyl, bi means two, phenyl means benzene groups. So that's basically coming from electrical equipment. Other organic matter that's just not good, it's just not good for the water system, will come from waste treatment plants, which will be followed up in the next topic, decomposition of plants and animals, oil spills, and any industrial waste. Not all industrial waste, but a lot of industrial waste can include organic matter. And then lastly, related to again to soil pollution in a lot of ways, nitrates and phosphates, when you're adding your fertilizers, that can cause the pollutants to be found in the water when it's washing off. And then those, as we saw before, can contribute to algal blooms and eutrophication. In terms of phosphates, another source of phosphates are from detergents. So laundry detergents and soaps from households, if they're not treated and they go straight into the water sources, that is another way that happens.